If you want to get some cooking help with DeepSeek, then you can do that as well. So for that, over here in DeepSeek, what I'm going to do is, let's say, for example, say I have tomatoes, eggs, flour, rice, sugar, salt, key, oil. What can I make out of it right here, just like this? So let's say I give a bunch of ingredients and say what can I make out of it. So once you go ahead and do that, DeepSeek will actually go ahead and process that particular prompt, and then will give you some dishes that you can make. For example, you can see that it says by using tomatoes, egg, salt, and oil that I already have, you can make tomato egg stir fry. There's tomato rice, that's rice, tomato, salt, oil, and ghee, and then you can see that this is what I have. So now, let's say, for example, I want the detailed steps to make pancakes or crepes right here. So I'm just going to say, give me detailed steps to make pancakes or crepes right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and add in those steps right here. So you can see that these are the ingredients, just like this, and then this is what you have. So this is the instruction. So prepare the batter, and it says heat the pan, and then you got step 3, cook the pancakes and crepes, and then apart from that you got the repeat right here, just like this for the other pancakes, and then this is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and get cooking help as you like inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.